Hey, what's going on everyone? This is Mo from Wi-Fi Cash Academy, and in this video I'll be showing you 5 of the best affiliate networks out there for you to join today. And if you stick around to the end of the video, I'll be giving you a bonus, so make sure you stay with me all the way to the end. And if you're new to the channel, then welcome, and on here I'll be showing you various ways of making money online and building multiple streams of passive income, and mainly focusing on affiliate marketing. I'll also be documenting my journey to financial freedom and sharing what I've learned along the way, so if that sounds interesting to you, then make sure you subscribe and tick the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Some people get a little confused about what the difference is between an affiliate program and an affiliate network. So many individual businesses have their own affiliate programs to promote their products and services. For example, I was looking for a juicer earlier and I found that the Breville juicers are pretty good. So if we wanted to check if they have an affiliate program, we could come over to Google and type in Breville affiliate program. So we can see they do have one. You just need to fill out the application form and wait to be accepted. You'll be surprised at how many big brands actually have affiliate programs you can join. Now the downside of this is, 1, they can be very selective at who they allow to become an affiliate. And secondly, it can be very confusing as you would need to apply for and access all of your affiliate dashboards and different websites, which could get confusing and unorganized when you start promoting multiple products and programs. This is where affiliate networks come into play. They curate different affiliate programs from various businesses and house them under one roof. In this way, you can quickly apply to thousands of different affiliate programs in every single niche possible without going through the hassle of filling out new application forms every time. Many of these networks already pre-approve you for most of the programs, and some still require you to apply for the individual programs through the site. This normally happens to stop spam and shady marketing tactics and behavior. Also, most of the networks pay you directly, so you only need to set up your payment details once for each network. Now the first network I'll show you is Clickbank. This is one of the most established networks out there, being established in 1998. They pioneered the idea of promoting digital products when other networks at the time were focusing solely on physical products. So their platform mainly deals with digital products such as courses and training programs. They have many different categories, so to find your niche, you can just come over to the sidebar and you can choose from these different niches. They have drop-down lists for each section here, so you can get some more ideas and actually niche down. Another way to find specific products is just to use the search feature and just type in the name of your niche to see what they have available. For example, you could type in keto and it will bring up any related programs regarding keto, weight loss, or health in general. As the network is quite old, they seem to not have updated their user interface, so some people might find that some of the search and product data info might be confusing. But the main pieces of information that you should be concerned about is the amount you get paid per sale and to some extent the gravity. High gravity products tend to be more competitive than low gravity ones because there are more affiliates promoting the same product. Gravity on Clickbank is one of the most misunderstood and confused data points, as a high gravity just means a lot of affiliates are promoting the product and have made a sale each, so it doesn't represent how many sales. So for example, a product with a gravity of 10 could have less people promoting it but making far greater sales with it. Instead, what you should look at is how good the product is. Take a look at the sales page and do some research about the course creator and if they have a track record of releasing quality products in the past. It can be a little tricky at first, but you'll soon pick up on a good offer to promote with time. Once you do make a sale using Clickbank, they do have a $100 threshold you need to pass in order to get paid out your funds. Another thing which is common with a lot of affiliate networks is the time period they pay you out in. They normally pay you out 30 days after the current month has closed. So if you earn money during January and reach the minimum, the payout will be released around March. Next, we have a network called WarriorPlus. Now WarriorPlus is a network which predominantly caters to the internet marketing or make money online niche. So if you're interested in this niche, then it's great. However, if you were looking for example health and fitness type products, it would not be the network for you. It was founded in 2006 by a guy called Mike Lance, and it helps publishers who are selling their courses and products and affiliates who want to promote them and make money. So after creating your account, you can come over to this section and it lists the top selling offers that have been recently launched. They also have a launch calendar which shows you all of the products that are about to launch soon. This is really helpful, especially if you want to get into launch jacking. So when you find a product that looks interesting, you can click on it to get more information. Another difference between WarriorPlus and Clickbank is the fact that on WarriorPlus, you actually have to apply for permission to be able to promote the product. This is in place to stop undesirable people who may try to promote the product in a spammy way. There's 2 ways you can use to increase the chances of them approving your application. The first is to leave a short paragraph on the page when applying. You can share a little bit about how you intend to promote the product and etc. This will help, as most people just leave it blank and just apply. The second thing you can do is complete your profile. When you apply for approval, your profile will show up to the vendor, and most of the time it's blank. So just add a profile picture and a little bit about yourself, so they know that you're a real marketer who's looking to promote the product legitly. You could also purchase a product which will show them that you're serious about marketing the product, but that's not necessary. Another cool feature is that on WarriorPlus you don't need to apply separately to become a merchant, meaning you can create your own product and list it on WarriorPlus from your affiliate account and start to have other affiliates promote your product. Another awesome thing about WarriorPlus is most of the products run affiliate contests. Vendors can create these affiliate contests under their own conditions, and if you can make it to the top of the leaderboard, then you can win bonuses which are normally cash prizes. One downside for new affiliates is the way they have set up the payment threshold. So if you're new to WarriorPlus, you would need to make 5 separate sales from 5 separate people in order to get your first payout. After this initial verification step, you will then start to be paid out accordingly to the vendor's conditions. If you're a known affiliate, you can be eligible for instant PayPal payments, but for most, you'll be paid out around 30 days after the sale. ShareASale is a network which has been around for a pretty long time amongst Clickbank and some of the other networks out there. It is one of the most trusted networks on the market and has thousands of programs to promote. The great thing about ShareASale is that they work with some pretty big brands and everyday companies such as Namecheap, Erin Condren and Dollar Tree. The great thing about ShareASale is the fact that they have such a large variety of programs to promote for people that are not into the internet marketing or info product niche. And as Amazon's partner program recently slashed their affiliate commissions, more and more people are finding alternative programs with ShareASale for their websites and videos. So to find products, you will need to sign up first for an account. Choose a username and password and then let them know what country you live in. You will then need to add your primary affiliate website. This is a factor that puts off a lot of new affiliates, and this is one of the reasons I do suggest you should build your own website. They're also pretty stringent about the types of affiliate marketing sites they allow on the network, so you need to make sure your site complies to their terms and conditions. You will also need to add some content to the site, as the brands they work with mainly want established content-based marketers to be associated with them. Another tip is to use a branded email address to sign up with, which is associated with your domain, such as mo@yourdomain.com or whatever your domain name is. This will be far more effective at getting you approved than using a free Gmail email address. You then need to add all of your real information such as your contact and payment details, as they will need this to send you a check or to send your payments to your account. The verification process should take a couple of days at most, but if all of your details are correct and you're using a website which is full of content and you have a branded domain email, then it should take around 24 hours. The network has over 4,000 merchants to choose from and contain many affiliate programs that you can't find on other networks. The website and search features are quite minimalist, but they do quite a good job as they have many options to help you choose the right product to promote. For example, you can filter the affiliate programs by the cookie length, by high ticket commissions, by the EPC, by the commission amount, and by the power rank, which is a metric created by ShareASale which shows you if the product is doing well or not with other affiliates. You can choose between direct deposit, mail check, or Pioneer. And as I said earlier, they do not currently utilize PayPal payments. The fastest method to use would be direct deposit, as they deposit the payment straight into your account if they offer the service in your country. Similar to other affiliate networks, they do have a threshold of $50, so you need to make $50 before it triggers out a payout. Next, we have MaxBounty. MaxBounty is an affiliate network that specializes in cost per action offers. It is one of the most famous cost per action advertising companies globally and was founded in 2004 by the Suave brothers. The CPA affiliate model allows affiliate marketers to earn money when they send visitors to a landing page and they complete an action. These actions range from purchasing a product, signing up for a free trial, or simply submitting their email address. To join, click register now, and the next page is the affiliate sign up. The affiliate sign up is divided into 6 main menus: basic info, security, contact address, experience, and terms. Once you get to the experience tab, you will need to enter some information about your affiliate experience. Just write a few lines about how long you've been doing affiliate marketing and the main traffic sources you intend to use. You will need to have a website URL that is yours, but I've heard of people using a free Wix website which you can find out how to build online. And I've heard of people even using their YouTube channel URL if you have a channel with relevant content. You will then receive a call from one of the affiliate managers. Some of the interview questions may include: how long have you been working with affiliate marketing? Which network do you work with? How do you promote offers? Why did you choose MaxBounty? Which offers are you looking for? And so on. Just be confident and answer as best as you can with a little bit of research if you're not too sure about any of the questions. After this is all done and you're accepted, you'll be assigned to your own affiliate manager who will be able to help you with anything you're having problems with. They can even tell you what the hottest offers are and so on. This personal touch is something really cool and it's quite unique. To look for offers, you can have a browse at the home page, which will contain showcase promotions, or you can click on search to bring up this more advanced search bar. Here you can filter by traffic type. For example, if you were to promote a product on Clickbank, you could generally use any type of traffic that will bring in a customer. However, on MaxBounty, some offers specify the types of traffic that you can use. So if you know that you'll be using your email list, then leave email checked and so on. Then you can narrow down the offers by niche or promotion type, such as sweepstakes or email submits. Then you can choose whether you want to promote an offer that offers a revenue share, meaning when a customer purchases a product, you will receive a share of the revenue. Or you can choose offers that pay out a flat rate per lead you bring in. So now if you come down here, it will show you a list of offers that match your criteria. So you have the main details about the offers, such as the ID name. You have this little icon which shows you the preview of the landing page so you can see if it looks scammy or if it's well done. Then you have the CPA type, which is whether it's a rev share or fixed per lead. Next is the CPA rate, which is how much you will receive per successful action the lead completes. Then we have traffic types accepted, whether it's social, email or search. And then we have the EPC. EPC stands for the earnings per click. This is simply the amount of money earned on average for each click a campaign link has received. That number is determined by a simple formula, which is earnings divided by clicks equals EPC. However, it can be a little confusing as high EPC doesn't always mean a high conversion rate. The conversion rate is the leads divided by clicks. So simply, you want these two numbers to be closer together. So this offer would be better to promote than this one, even though it looks like you're getting more money per lead. So if we were to click through here, we can get some more information such as the type of traffic allowed and the terms and conditions. So to get your affiliate link, you need to come over here and click on the traffic type you intend to use and then creative. Just choose raw link. Then it generates your affiliate link. The last network is OfferVault. Now OfferVault is not really an affiliate network, but it's more like a search engine that helps you find affiliate programs across many different affiliate networks. So it's very useful if you're looking for something very specific. Once you find an offer that you like to promote, you need to create an account with that specific affiliate network in order to receive your affiliate link. You can use the search bar at the top to search for your niche or a brand. Or you can come down here and look through the tabs such as mobile offers, pay-per-call offers, or you can look at the individual networks and how many offers they have available. You can also check out the sidebar where they have the top 10 most searched keywords, which can give you an idea of what's popular at the moment. This is useful as you can try and get in on trends as they start to develop. And as I promised you a bonus, I've created a document that lists 40 top affiliate networks that you can use in 2020, so make sure you check out the link below to get this list for free, and don't worry, you don't even need to enter your email or anything like that. And if you want some more affiliate marketing training, then check out my free ebook that I've written to help you get started the right way. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.